Hi, welcome. Now I am going to show you how to use row and column functions. Okay, so what is a row function? Row function is equal to row. Okay, you can see returns the row number of a reference. Okay, so if you put a row of a row function on a particular cell, it will return the row number of the reference. If you don't give the reference or the range or the inner argument, it will return the row number of the particular cell. Okay, I just put a row of just blank. It will return the row number 3. Okay, what is this 3? Because this cell number is A3. Okay, so it's a row number 3. Okay, it's in the third row, 1 2 3, third row. That's why it returned 3. Okay, similarly you use it for this cell, row number, row of, just leave it blank. You just leave it without any argument. It returns the row number of that current cell where you are putting the row function. Okay, it's 4, which is A4. So it returned 4th row. Similarly for the A7 row, you got 7. Okay, so which is A7. So this is the row function. When you use a row function, okay, without any argument, then it will return that particular cell, the current cell's row number. Okay, is it possible to refer different cell number into in a different cell? Yes, it's possible. I am doing that one now. Equal to, from this cell row of, I want to check the, now the reference is F3. Okay, you can see the F3 here. Okay, so F3, so what is the row number of F3? Is 3. Why is 3? Because it's F3. Okay, column is F, but the row is 3. Okay, so it returned 3. Okay, similarly I want the row number of this G4. Okay, G4 I want it. So row of G4. Okay, so plus OK, then you will find a 4. It's in the 4th row. Similarly, row of, the reference is H5. So the row number is supposed to be 5. Okay, finally you have a range. Okay, in this range, what is the row number? Okay, let's see row of, okay, the full set, the range F7 to H9. So first cell is F7. Okay, so what is the row number? It brings 7. The first cell's row number, which is nothing but 7. Okay, the first cell's row number. Okay, so now we will go and check the column function. Okay, what is the column function? Column function returns the column number of a reference. Is just opposite of row function. Row function returns the row number, column function returns the column number. Okay, so if you don't give any reference, it will return the column number of the current cell. Okay, enter, which is 3. Okay, why it is 3? Because this cell is in the C column. Okay, A is 1, B is 2, C is 3. C column 3. Now this cell, you don't give the reference, just put a equal to, then this one also brings the 3. Why 3? Because it's also in the C column. Okay, obviously this one also will be C, because in the C column. 3. Probably we will use some other column, this column. Okay, so column, bracket, it brings 5 because A, B, C, 3, D, 4, E, 5. So fifth column. Okay, this cell is in the 5th column. Okay, now similar like here, is it possible to refer other cells? Yes, possible. I just put a column of column number of the cell F3. Okay, now you will see what happens. 6. Why 6? Is the F column, which is 1 2 3 4 5 6. F is 6, so the column number is 6. Okay, similarly column number of G4. Okay, so G is the 7th column, 7th alphabet in English. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, 7th. Okay, so it is column number is G. The column number of G4 is 7. Okay, similarly for this one, H5. Okay, column number of H5 is supposed to be 8. Okay, so H5 is H is 8th column. Okay, similarly for a range, what is happening? Okay, column of range from F7 to H9. Okay, it will bring the first cell's column number. Okay, which is F, which is nothing but a sixth column, and column number is 6. Okay, so using the row number and column number, you can find, for example, this cell. Okay, the row number is 3. This is in row 3 and column is 6. Okay, then this cell is row number is 4, column is 7. So using the row and column, you can find out any cell's row number and column number. Okay, this is very useful when you do some mathematical functions and other array functions. To use it, you can use the row and columns. Okay, so this will give you the row number and the column number, and together with the index functions, match functions, and lookups, you can work on lot of many other references. Okay, now this is the row and column. Okay, what will happen? I give multiple ranges, row of this range as well as the other range, 2 ranges. Then it gives you have entered too many arguments for this function, so the range must be only one range. You cannot give multiple range. Okay, similarly, what will happen? The column as the multiple range. Okay, let's see what happens. This also give you have entered too many arguments for this function, so it will accept only one range. You cannot give multiple range or split the ranges. Okay, and one more thing to be noted. Okay, this column and row functions, okay, it's different from rows and columns functions. Okay, this is singular, row and column. Okay, so you must not confuse rows and columns functions. Okay, this is only row and column. Row returns the row number of a particular range, column returns the column number of a particular range. Okay, you can use it to color the cells and find the values, everything. Okay, hope this video is helpful to you to understand row and column functions. And if you like my video, please press the Alan Sam subscription button on the screen now, and you leave your comments and suggestions, and God bless you.